perfect for fall, perfect for this time of year. You know, it's just perfect. It don't even matter what time of the year. I'm just saying perfect for fall because that's what everybody else say. To my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are doing a wig review on this beautiful bob on my head. This is the Annie Bob 12-inch and she's gorgeous, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick how I put on this wig. Basically, I put on this wig like a hat. I mean, it's not too much to it. Then I'm going to talk about it in the outro. There will be timestamps for this video if you want to just see how I feel about this wig, or if you want to see how I put it on. Whatever you want to see, there's timestamps. Before we get started, please give this video a big thumbs up for me and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and get started with this bob, and I'll see you guys in the outro.
This is something new, the Casper Slide Part 2, featuring the Platinum Band, and this time we're gonna get bumped, get bumped, get bumped. Everybody clap your hands. Get bumped, get bumped, get bumped. Everybody clap your hands. Get bumped, bump it, bump. Everybody clap your hands. Bump it, bump it, bump. Everybody clap your hands. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back.
Meanwhile,
What I'ma do?
Let's go to work. One how get funky with funky. One how get funky with funky. One how get funky with funky. One funky, funky. One how gets time. Funky. One how gets time. Funky. One how gets time. Funky. Cha-cha real smooth. Now it's time to get funky. Take it back, that dog. Take it back, that dog. Take it back, that dog. Come on, take it back, that dog. Get funky with left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog. Left foot, let's take it back that dog. Right foot, let's take it back that dog.
just then.
What?
Can I put my hand in the water because we're going down to the pool?
No. Why? I just washed it. I just did it. Fine, do it.
Eventually.
Okay, beauties, so we are back with this bob, and I have this big grin on my face because I'm kind of shocked. I am really shocked. I wasn't expecting all of this with this bob. So let's go ahead and talk about this. This is the Outre lace front wig, and I have the style Annie Bob 12-inch, and I have the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. That is the color that is on this stock card. So this wig is very simple, guys. As you see, it's a real basic wig. It has your two combs in the front, your one lace part in the middle, your comb in the back, that ventilated cap, that lace that you do have to cut off, but I cut that off screen. Real simple, real easy. So let's go ahead and talk about this. So first of all, Outre. Outre. So y'all have a way of working your way into people's hearts. So I saw this Annie Bob pop up when I was ordering a few wigs last week, and I was like, Annie, we know Annie. So Annie is an oldie but goodie half wig from Outre, and when I saw Annie, I was like, she sounds familiar. Let me go ahead and add her to the cart. And y'all, I must say, I added this wig to the cart not expecting this. I am shocked. So if you know Annie, you know she's texture, you know she's like that yucky textured wig. So I went ahead and added her to the cart. I was shocked with this wig because on this stock card, she kind of just looks kind of real straight and she looks real thick. So I wasn't expecting all of this, Outre. I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting this at all. And I took a chance and picked up this cinnamon mocha, but this cinnamon mocha to me in person looks a little bit darker. But I'm loving this color. But hold on, I'm sorry, I'm jumping ahead of myself. I'm jumping. Let's talk about the texture. So the texture feels so good, y'all. Like, she's a yucky texture, but she's not so thick. She's not what I was expecting at all. When you look at that stock card, to me, she looks like she gonna be a lot of hair and kind of out of control, but she's really good. She's like a nice, thinner, yucky texture. She kind of reminds me of Bobbi Boss Juba. She kind of gives me that kind of feel and reminds me of that, but I'm so here for this bob. The ends to me look much more bent than what the stock card is looking like. The stock card is just looking straight. It's looking real straight. But I'm a risk taker, so I went ahead and still bought her, and I'm happy I got her. The ends are nice and bumped. She seems like she's a little inverted. So she's longer in the front here, and then like she's kind of inverted a little bit, just a little bit, you know, so it's on your neck, and then just kind of get that nice inverted bob look. Like look, we giving looks with this one. I'm loving these face framing highlights with the cinnamon mocha. I'm loving this color. So you're gonna get this face framing color right here in the front. You're gonna get that cinnamon, I don't know if this is the cinnamon or the mocha. Which one is this one? I think this is the cinnamon. So you're gonna get the cinnamon kind of like inside, and the mocha is gonna be like on the outside. So this is a perfect blend, perfect for fall, perfect for this time of year. You know, it's just perfect. It don't even matter what time of the year. I'm just saying perfect for fall because that's what everybody else say. But you know what? It's perfect. It's a good, beautiful blend, okay? As far as the cap goes, she fits comfortable, y'all. Like, she's fitting on my head. She did have a lot of extra lace. I just cut it off. She feels really good, really comfortable, not tight at all. She's really easy. All I did, y'all, was put a wig grip on and cut this wig off. If you saw when I was putting her on, I did use my Revlon dark brown kind of brow pencil pen. It's like a micro blading pencil, and I use that for the lace right here. I feel like this dark brown is a little less harsh than using a black or a Sharpie, but to each his own. Whatever you use is your business. That's your house. I'm telling you what I did, okay? So I like this for the lace because sometimes I notice that even though you use lace tint spray, sometimes that white lace still kind of shows, but she looking good. There's no hairline on this. Don't even try to talk about that. We're not gonna have that conversation. The lace looked really good to me. It says it's HD lace, but I feel like you still kind of have to blend these laces, but it was really thin and it felt really good. I'm getting a little bit of shedding. It could be the fact that of how I cut the lace. This unit is glueless. I don't have any glue on here. If you want, you could probably use a little bit of spray or whatever and secure right there. But honestly, y'all, I feel like if you use a wig grip, you're gonna be fine. And she's pretty. I think I need to go back and get this in a natural color. We might need to go back and get this in a 1B. And this says Annie Bob 12 inch. You know what? Outre, y'all slick. Y'all slick. I know y'all gonna come out with another longer one. I can't wait. I can't wait. So she's not too thick. She doesn't feel like as thick as Nisha. She just feels really good, y'all. Like, she feels really good. She's flowing. She's flowing. So I absolutely would recommend this bob, okay? And for the record, I gotta tell y'all something. Come. I don't really like bobs, okay? So that's my little secret. I don't really like bobs like this, but I do like this bob. I like bobs that kind of are a little longer. The ones that are short on me, I look like somebody's mama. Even though I am somebody's mama, but we ain't trying to look like that, okay? But this looks good, y'all. It's also really affordable, guys. Like, this wig is $25 to $28 depending on your site. So she's a winner, y'all. She is absolutely a plop and go winner, and I still look good plop and go. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.